So natural log is pretty useful whenever you are solving exponential equations with base e, because natural log of x, that means log base e of x. So whenever you see this ln, well, you know base is e, okay? But in this page, I'm just going to show you how to solve some of these equations that you may already have, seen in pre-calc. But if you have e raised to the 3x power equals 2, how do we solve this, okay? You're not going to divide by 3 or anything, okay? But you will take natural log of both sides. So look, if you had this e to the 3x equals 2, that's the equation you have, you will take ln of both sides. So right, ln, okay? What will happen to the left side is that this 3x, which used to be the exponent, will come down to the front, okay? It will come down, and that's one of the log properties, come down to the front, okay? So you can write down 3x big, it's not an exponent anymore, so write down 3x. And now what's left? What's not highlighted in green? This natural log of e. What's that? What is natural log of e? Well, I'll show you. ln e is equal to, or not e, sorry, e is 1. So that orange term is just 1. So, you really are just multiplying 3x by 1, which you really don't have to write anymore. So I would like to just say, oh, ln e, cancel that, no more. But we still have 3x down now, okay? So this equals this right-hand side, okay? So that's now the equation, okay? What do? You divide both sides by 3, and that's it for that. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So x is natural log of 2 divided by 3. That's going to be the exact answer. But if you want to find the decimal answer, you will need a scientific calculator for this section. So you'll do ln 2 divided by 3. The decimal answer is 0.231. Okay? All right, let me show you a couple more. Maybe just one more on this page. All right. Before I take natural log on this one, I need to get rid of this 250 that's currently multiplying to my exponential term. How do you get rid of multiplication? Divide. Divide both sides by 250. Okay? That's like dividing 3/4 by quarter, right? 75 divided by 25. So what's that going to be? E to the 0.015t equals 3, right? Now what? This is the new part. If you want to solve an equation that looks like this, you have e to the blah, blah, blah power. You will take natural log of both sides. It's like you putting a ladder so that the exponent can crawl down to the front. So this exponent will come down to the front, in front, like this, okay? So you will have 0.015t, not small anymore, it's all big, okay, no more exponent. And what happened to this natural log of e? That just becomes 1, right? So if that just becomes 1, you can just ignore it, okay? Because multiplying something by 1 doesn't change anything. And that equals this natural log of 3. Now you are solving for t, right? So what's the last thing you need to do? Divide by this decimal. So t is equal to that. That's your answer, okay? So t equals ln 3 divided by 0.015. If you want the decimal answer, this is where we type this into the calculator. ln 3 divided by 0.015. Our answer is 73.241. Okay? So that's how you can solve these exponential equations by taking natural log on both sides. Okay?